That was those cats for last night. For last night. In it. Alright. Hey. Superhighway, coast to coast. Easy to get anywhere. Cross the transcontinental overload. Slide behind the wheel, baby. How does it feel?
There's no destination.
It's too far. Something on the way. You got to find out who you are.
Living in America.
Hey! Eye to eye. Station to station.
Living in America.
Oh. Hand in hand. Cross the nation.
Living in America.
Have a celebration. Right, I saw rock the window just a little bit, Joe. Like this. Smokestack, fat bag, many miles, rail track. All night radio, you got the people running through that rock and roll show. All night diamonds, keep your wing. I'm black coffee in a hard road. Come on.
You might have to walk by line. You might take the high line.
Everybody's working all the time.
Living in America.
Eye to eye, station to station.
Living in America.
Hand in hand, cross the nation.
Living in America.
Got to have a celebration.
I live in America.
You stand in line, got the people crying, yeah.
I live in
Oh, listen,
America.
man. Let me tell you. You may not be looking for the promised land, but you might find it anyway. Lord, over one of those familiar names like New Orleans,
New Orleans,
Detroit City,
Detroit City,
Dallas,
Dallas,
Pittsburgh, PA,
Pittsburgh, PA,
New York City,
New York City,
Kansas City,
Kansas City,
Atlanta,
Atlanta,
Chicago, and LA.
living in America. Living in America.
me. All right.
Living in America. I live in America.
Oh, yeah. That feel all right to me. Yeah.
I live in America. Living in America.
Station to station.
Living in America.
Hand in hand. Across the nation.
Living in America.
Who got to have a celebration? I feel good. Well, he played that song so slowly, ladies and gentlemen, it's the only time, we've only got time for the one song. Is that right? He's the one from the Four Top Sugar Pie Honey Bunch. He'll make up for this one now. Won't you, Bump? All right. Oh, sugar pie, honey bun. You know that I love you. I can't help myself. I love you and nobody else. In and out my life.
In and out my life.
And you go.
You come and you go.
Even just your picture behind. I've kissed it 1,000 times. Oh, when you snap your finger, baby, wink your eye, come around and to you. I'm tired to the middle myself. There ain't nothing that I can do. Oh, baby.
I can't help myself.
Oh, I can't help myself. Sugar pie, honey bun.
Sugar pie.
I'm weakly that a man should be.
Man should be. I can't help myself.
I'm a fool in love, you see. And I tell you I don't love you. I tell you let me through. And that's why every time I see your face, I get all choked up inside. I must when I call your name, girl, it starts to play.
Burning in my heart. Tearing all apart.
No matter how I try, my love I just can't hide. Ooh, sugar pie, honey bun.
Sugar pie.
You gonna wait for you.
Wait for you. I can't help myself.
I love you, nobody. Sugar pie, honey bunch.
Sugar pie.
Nobody love you, baby.
Love you. I can't help myself.
No, I can't help myself. Sugar pie, honey bunch.
Sugar pie.
You know that I love you.
Love you. I can't help myself.
No, I can't help myself. All right. Is there anybody out there? Anybody out there remember 1966? They're not playing, are they? Do you remember 1966? You've got to cast your mind back to what you were doing in 1966 when Pete and I were doing 11 Plus, and Sam Cooke was doing this at the Copacabana, just the other side of Penarth. You know where it is. Here we go. New York. Where the people are so good, twisting the night away. Yeah. He may have a lot of fun, putting trouble on the run. Man, they get the old and young, twisting the night away. Come on, twisting, twisting. Everybody's doing great. Twisting, twisting, twisting the night away. Now there's a man in evening clothes. How many of you ever know? Oh man, you got to see him go. Twisting the night away. Get up to the other chick and smash that. Chick is moving up every day. Man, ain't she nothing like twisting the night away? Mama, twisting, twisting. Everybody's doing right. Twisting, twisting, twisting the night away. All right, listen. Lean up. Lean back. Lean up. Lean on back. Come on, pretty baby, what you say? Hey, you got to fly. Hey, now twist with me, baby. One more time. We got to twist that night away. And there's a fella in blue jeans, dancing with an older queen, all up in the diamond rings, twisting the night away. Man, you got to see a roll, twisting to the rock and roll. He's a good for young and old, twisting the night away. Come on, twisting, baby, twisting, 'cause everybody's doing great. Twisting, twisting, twisting the night away. All right, lean up, lean back. We turn around, we can do it all again, and again, and again, and again. Lean back. Oh, twist. You gotta fly. Now twist with me, baby. One more time. We got to twist the night away. Stick with twisting, twisting. And everybody's doing great. Twisting, twisting, twisting the night away. Yeah, twisting, twisting. Everybody's doing great. Twisting, twisting, twisting the night away. All right. Are you ready for this? Hey! Got the words right. Hey! 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 Come on, everybody, take a trip with me. Down to Mississippi, down to New Orleans. You got the honeysuckle growing on the honeysuckle vine. Love is growing there all the time. Fresh moss growing on the roll tree. Down to Mississippi, down to New Orleans. I said, hey, 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 yeah. I said, look out. Hey, yeah, yeah. Look out. Hey, hey, yeah. Well, come on. Take a trip down the Basin Street. Woo. You got to listen to the music with the Dixieland beat. Woo. The magnolia blossom fill the air. Yeah, but brother, you ain't been there. Every Southern Bell's a Mississippi Queen. Down Mississippi, down to New Orleans. Go. I said, hey, 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 yeah. Oh, come on! Take a trip out of Basin Street. Oh, gotta listen to the music with the Dixieland meet. The magnolia blossom fill the air. If you ain't been to heaven, brother, you ain't been there. Every Southern belle is a Mississippi queen. Mississippi down to New Orleans. I said, hey, I should look out. Hey, yeah.
Look out. Hey.
I wish I was back on the bottle, baby. Woo! The Rolling Basin king and the queen. My. I wish I was on that midnight special, honey. Shooting on in to New Orleans. She's been keeping on all night to sing with me, ladies and gentlemen, so will I let her sing with me? Or did you want to tell me about the CDs? CDs for sale there, ladies and gentlemen, 32 classic tracks, destroyed by us, £10. How's that? Big Mac's Holy Soul Band. Get them while they're going. Only got a few left. Got the same amount I came with. It Takes Two.
One can have a dream, baby.
You can make that dream so real, yeah.
One can talk about being in love.
Two can show how it feels.
One can wish upon a star.
Two can make that wish come true.
One can stand alone in the dark.
Two can make the light shine.
It takes two, baby. It takes two, baby. Me and you. Just takes two. It takes two, baby. It takes two, baby.
To make a dream come true. Just takes two.
One can have a broken heart, live in misery.
Two can really ease the pain like a perfect remedy.
One can be alone in a bar like an island he's all alone.
Two can make most any place seem just like being home.
It takes two, baby. It takes two, baby. Me and you. Just takes two. It takes two, baby. It takes two, baby.
To make a dream come true.
Just takes two, yeah.
You know, something in my little smile.
One can go out to one movie looking for a special treat.
Two can make that same old movie into something kind of sweet.
One can take a walk in the moonlight thinking that it's really nice.
Two go walking hand in hand. It's like adding just a pinch of spice.
It takes two, baby. It takes two, baby. Me and you.
Don't you know it?
Just takes two. It takes two, baby. It takes two, baby.
To make a dream come true.
Just takes two. Baby, me and you.
Don't you know it?
Just takes two.
and gentlemen, we're going to wait till the midnight hour. That's when it all comes tumbling down, whatever that means. I'm gonna wait till the midnight hour. That's when my love comes tumbling down. I'm gonna wait till the midnight hour. When this whole world else turns around, I'm gonna take you down and hold it and do all the things I told her in the midnight hour. Wait, yes I am. Midnight hour. I'm gonna wait. One more thing I'll say right here. I'm gonna wait till the stars come out and see the twinkle in your eye. I'm gonna wait till the midnight hour. That's when my love begin to shine. You're the only girl I love, who really love me so. In the midnight hour, wait, all right, midnight. We're talking about the midnight hour. I'm gonna wait. All right, play for me one time more. Till the midnight hour, when my love comes tumbling down. I'm gonna wait, baby, wait the midnight hour, when there ain't nobody else around. I'm gonna take you, girl, take a girl and hold her. Gotta do all the things I told her in the midnight hour. All of us talk about the midnight hour. I got to hold you in my arms, just you and I. We're going to wait till the midnight hour. This is from Stevie Wonder Superstition. We'll all play this one in the same key, all right, lads? Otherwise it gets a bit chatty, doesn't it? Well, it's superstitious, writing on the wall. Well, it's superstitious, letters about to fall. Mother, baby, don't look in there. Said I'm here to good things in your bed. When you believe in things that you don't understand, and you say, superstition. What's the thing to me? Bring me on to love what you can. Keep me in the baby. Keep me going strong. You don't want to see me. Say my God. Superstition. t-shirts. Nothing more to say. Baby, superstition. Rebels on the way. Fill me up, oh baby. Put the roof in there. Tell me, got the 7 in the bed. Superstition ain't the way. Little Richard. Slow again, that one. Lucille. I got to tell you, baby. Saturday night, ladies and gentlemen, we're in the Gate Arts Centre in Wolf, Keppock Street. Is there a Keppock Road or something like that? Do come along and have what you had for free tonight. You can pay for it then Saturday, okay? How's that? What a deal. Anyway, is there anybody out there likes a bit of soul music? Besides Peter and myself. How about some sweet soul music, boys and girls? Are we ready? Do you like good music? Yeah, yeah. Sweet soul music now. Yeah, yeah. Love is a spring. Yeah, yeah. into the world. Yeah, some of the music. Spotlight on the road. I don't even cross you. Singing love's a perfect thing. Spotlight on Celine. Singing, hold on, I'm coming. Do you like good music? Switch over music, just a love never swing. Spotlight on all this ready now. Singing, spotlight on Dave Mario. He's a king of the world. He's a king of the world. Spotlight on Russell Pickett. Singing love stays sailing. And you got it. You got it. Johnny G, like I love you. Bobby Womack. She's back again for the River Deep Mountain Ash. Back by popular demand, ladies and gentlemen. Mandy Boyce Davis. Do it again.
When I was a little girl, I had a rag doll. The only time I've ever owned. But now I love you just the way I love that rag doll. But only now my love has grown. And it gets sweeter, sweeter every day. And it gets deeper, deeper every way. And it gets higher, higher day by day. Do I love you? Oh my, Rarity, mountain high. If I lost you, would I cry? Oh, how I love you, baby, baby, baby.
When you were younger, did you have a puppy? Always followed you around. Now I'm gonna be as faithful as that puppy. Baby, I'll never let you down. 'Cause it goes on and on, like the river flows. It's sweet, sweeter, heaven love. It's higher, baby, higher, heavy it goes. I love you, I don't mind. Mountain high. If I love you, baby, would I cry? I love you, baby, like a bird loves to sing. Ooh,
I love you, baby, like a schoolboy loves to smile.
that's what we're doing.
I love you, baby, with a deep mountain high.
Steve said, "I never only one brother Wilson because he said, oh, Mustang Sally." Hey, Mustang Sally. I want that Toyota. Guess you better slow your Mustang down. All right. Little for me. Mustang Sally now, baby. I guess you better slow your Mustang down. And let me climb right on board. You've been running all over town. Ow! Guess I'll have to put your flat feet on the ground. What I say? Well, all you wanna do is ride up out of Sally. Come on. All you wanna do is ride up out of Sally. All you wanna do is ride around Sally. All you wanna do is ride around the Sally. I'm gonna be watching you win. I think I better tell you right now, listen. To a brand new Mustang, T65. Now you come around, sacrifice road. We're gonna let me ride. Mustang Sally now, baby. Mustang now. Somehow I gotta do it, baby. You've been running all over town. Guess I'll have to put my flat feet on the ground. I got to put your flat feet on the ground, baby. Somebody help me. Oh my. All you wanna do is ride around the sun. All you wanna do is ride around the sun. All I wanna do is ride around Sally. All you wanna do is ride around the sun. Come on. I'm gonna be watching you win. Are you ready to sing with us? Everybody. All you wanna do is ride up. Everybody come on. Beautiful. All you wanna do is ride up. Everybody come on. All I wanna do is ride around Sally. I'm gonna be hopping up. And there they were, as if by magic, ladies and gentlemen, the CDs. We got 2 songs left before we go. Here's one from Jay Brown. He said, "Hey! Somebody help me up." He said, "Hey!" Are you waiting for me? Hey! I feel good. New album. I feel good. New album. So good, so good, so good, so good. I got you. I feel nice. I feel nice. I feel nice. So nice, so nice, so nice. I got you. Come on. When I hold you in my arms, I don't know where to go. When I hold you in my arms, I can't do no harm. I feel good. I know that I would. I feel good. I know that I would. So good, so good, so good, so good. I got you. All right. When I hold you in my arms, I know my love can do no harm. I know you in my arms, love can't do no harm. And I feel good like I knew that I would. I feel good. I knew that I would. So good, so good, so good. I got you. So good, so good, I got you. So good, so good, I got you. We're going to give this song for Mr. Jackie Wilson. Everybody knows this song. And we're going to dedicate it especially to all those people that play on Dirty Dancing tonight. Dirty Dancing or otherwise. Okay? I don't mind about a clean dancing. It's fun barbecue. Turn it, baby, man. I found a found you. Let go. And I'm moving. And nothing more than all the pound. I can stand up and face the world. That's why the love keeps lifting me. Lifting me higher and higher. Sweat the love keeps lifting me. The sun lifting me higher and higher. Rolling around. You know that woman? She keep lifting me higher and higher. You know that. Talk about that woman. She keep lifting me. Don't let me up too long, guys. Okay, I want to sell a few CDs. Big Mac's only show, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget Saturday night in the Gate Art Center, Catwalk Street, Perth. I don't know how much it is, but it's not cheap.